Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the "some privacy-related extensions may cause issues" error on X. So if X, Twitter, isn't loading properly or keeps showing that message, follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Next, select Third-Party Cookies, then tap on See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type x.com, and when it appears, go ahead and clear all cache and data related to it. This will remove any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Now we need to fix the extensions that could be blocking X. On the left side, click on Extensions. Then, turn off all your extensions, especially anything related to privacy, ad blockers, VPNs, or tracking protection. These types of extensions can sometimes block important parts of X, which causes the error. After that, completely close Chrome and reopen it. Go back to x.com and refresh the page. Then check if everything is working. If you're still having the same problem, don't worry, there's one last thing you can try. Open x.com in a different browser. Sometimes switching browsers can completely fix the issue. And that's it. This is the best way to fix that error and get X working smoothly again.